Hello. Thanks so much for dropping in. I have been back to the pool room. Back to the pool room. And I have found some things. I have. Including a strange box, but anyway, we'll get to that. Oh! I found another. Gee. What have I done? Oh no. Oh no. No. My light is trying to fall down, and it seems that what might have saved it are the cables hanging here. How did that happen? Oh, maybe I caught the cord. Excuse me. Did I catch the cord on the chair? I'm not sure. I need to do something about that. Okay. Whew. That would not have been good. Okay, so I have here. This doesn't need to be here at this second. Another TPUG magazine, January 1985. This one would have been, I guess, in a month following when my brother and I were on the cover. And it says that it will have things by Elizabeth Deal, Borg Christensen, Brad, I'm butchering this, Bjorndal, David Hook, also Butterfield, Secrets in Software. This one is a little, oh, it still has the warranty card and also an ad for the MSD, SD2, and SD1. They were pretty magical. Alright, let's see. I don't know if I have anything in here. Because what it does, it doesn't actually say who wrote it. It mentions things. And then has what machine it might be related to. And there's a note from Michael Bonnycastle, who was the president. Oh, Microshare. And This and That by Doris Bradley. Oh yeah, Ian Wright. I remember Ian Wright. Anyway, all this, and they're printing on nice paper. They were, oh yeah, Z-Tech printer interfaces. 20% discount for all TPUG members. TPUG Comal course, part 7. Yes, Comal. Somewhere downstairs I have a Comal pet. Still gotta look into that. I do. I'm just looking quickly. Oh, there's something by Malcolm O'Brien. Malcolm O'Brien. Oh. Spec. I remember there. 10% discount to TPUG members on software, books, and accessories, excluding sale items, mail order, subject to shipping and handling fees. Of course they are. Steve Punter's newest 64 processor, word processor. Which, it's funny, that would be WordPro, but it doesn't actually say WordPro. Oh yes, TPUG Associate Club Chapter Meetings. Help us here, the little black box reset switch. Oh, here's something I got years ago. It was a quadra-ROM, because in the PET you had different things that would need different ROMs. And instead of having to pull them out and pull them out and put them in, and pull them out and put them in, if you were using different programs, The Quadrome was the thing. It's set and stuck up. You could stick up to 4 things in and just flip some tip switches. Oh yes, more than just the tip. Subscribe to the Transactor. That was cool. Oh, here. Windsor's Commodore Computer Club proudly presents Jim Butterfield. Micromania 85. Cool. There's something about Como. Here's disc things. Printed very small. Book review. The beginner and the disc. Secrets in Software by Jim Butterfield. I'll have to look through this later. I will. Still has. Oh, there's a beautiful thing, the Spartan, which lets you turn your Commodore 64 with this thing that you plus on the back, an Apple II Plus, which for a moment I had one of those, but it is gone. It's one of those things that, we all have our regrets about things we let go. Anyway, here's an ad for batteries included, the consultant, that's good. And then the typical, yay, come buy discs, woo. Anyway, I gotta look at that Jim Butterfield article, but right now, I found a thing here. Oh, there's the glasses. And it has, it's like one of those pads to keep things from getting a non-static thing. And it has chips on it. And what does it have? 6502, 6510, 6502, 6502, 6502, and a Z80, as well as some little 8701, 8701, 7701, a couple more 8701s. Now, I will have to test these. The other thing I found was a little wee bag. And it does seem to have RAM chips. It says on the outside 7564 by 4. And on here, it says HY53C464LS-10 8935A Korea. Anyway, I would suspect they are indeed RAM chips. I'm not sure if some of them haven't fallen out. I don't know, but I'll see. Anyway, there was also this strange box that seems, oh my, to have things. Back to the glass, including these are wonderful sockets, although these are stuck together. These are what I call the shark tooth sockets. They have glorious pins that it would take a miracle to bend. It would. Anyway, I much approve of them when it comes to replacing things. They look like they have not been used or abused. There's also in here a cassette port extender. I'm assuming this came off like a printer interface, something. The wire is gone, but who knows, might be handy. I don't know, and a couple of screws. But anyway, the other thing, of course, is, I can't see that because it's in a bag. Another thing, chips stuck in a thing. Moss 1985 CBM 310654-3 and 310047. Sorry, 318047-1, 318023. Maybe they're kind of ROM chips for 128 or something. I don't know exactly at this moment. And, who knows? And what else? 315093-2 CBM 1988. Oh, you know what? These could be. This one has on it written rather crudely 1.3. I think that would be something to do with an Amiga. All right, I'm going to put that back in there. Now this looks definitely, they're square. I wonder if I can see through here. Oh yeah, these are Agnes chips, but I'm not sure what version of Agnes they are. 8372A. Very needed for the Amiga. Anyway, how they tested? No. Will I test them at this moment? No. I think what I'm going to do, because I didn't find these things all together, is I am going to put everything in this box for safekeeping. And then there's another chip here. Or maybe it's an EEPROM. 4.139508. No clue. All right. It's a box. It was mailed long ago, but I don't know when. I don't see a date. But it must have been a while ago because it cost $2.01 to send it from the United States to Canada, and that certainly is not current pricing for shipping things. All right, what else is here? I will see. Oh. It is an eBay thing which I can recycle. It's crud. What is this? Crud. What is this? It seems to be a little box. Of some sort. And I don't know. Nothing. Well, I can put some of this paper to recycle into it and send it on its way. Now in here, this I think is something that years ago I might have sold on eBay, that then the person I sold it to decided the shipping was too much. And it is one of those things where it's sort of dictated by the size and the weight, and you know, there's nothing I can do about that. Yes. Indeed, this is some sort of plaque thing. My first Holy Communion. There it is. And I guess that would hang on the wall and be very holy. I wonder. Oh, there's more. There's more. Oh, yeah. Oh. Well, another thing like it, except it seems to be missing the child. I wonder if it's in here. You know, this packing stuff is a great thing. At times. I wonder. It looks like the child was there. I don't really have a safe way to deal with this right now, so I won't. I will dump it out and look for the thing in case it's there. Anyway, I think this is probably something. It's heavy. That I will perhaps send on its way, donate to something, somebody, somewhere. I think. Try art collection. Ooh, supposedly whenever it was sold, and I'm sure I didn't do it, but it was $49.99. And this, who knows? It is heavy. Anyway, you never know what you'll find. Anyway, I will look for the missing child amongst the styrofoam. But yeah, I think this is, and there's a little mark on here. Maybe a magic eraser. I'm sure there are people I know who have had children, people. This looks like a little girl. Oh well, I will figure it out. I shall. They are heavy. Alright, so a little recycling. Another TPUG magazine to look through. I do want to look at that Jim Butterfield article. And, oh yes, chips. I think I'm going to put that box in here for safety, and at some point I can tinker with it further. I think.
That was easy.
So, I think that is enough for now. I will go back to the pool room and see what else I can find. There's computer things and other things, and who knows. It just became sort of a dumping ground. Anyway, thanks for coming. See you again. Bye for now.